Hello and welcome back to another video. Now today you join me on my bed with my latest purchase, an iBook G4. Now I've wanted one of these to scratch my PowerPC itch for a long while. So it's currently got 10.4 installed on a spinning disk. It's been upgraded to I think 150 gigs, but that's not the matter of today. The problem of today is that it's only been spec'd up with a 256 megabyte RAM stick. Now these are upgradable up to 512, and theoretically, according to Google and Mac Finder, you can upgrade them to 1 gig. So I'm going to give that a go today. I've just bought this nice handy 1 gig RAM stick, what should be compatible. We're going to find that out today. So here we are on the desk, and I've had a look into this, and it's actually quite an easy process. I wish modern Apple stuff were like this. I mean, you can't even upgrade RAM on modern machines. It should just be as simple as pulling it off like that, and then folding backwards, and then we just need to get rid of them screws. So I've got my trusty screwdriver. Should just need to try get rid of this. To be fair, I can just put that to the side. I don't even need to take that out. Let's just say Apple would never, ever make it this easy these days. So it should be an easy pop out. 128 megabyte stick, because 128 megabytes is soldered and the other is a stick. So that's why we had 256. So I've got my 1 gigabyte stick of DDR. They are packed in the memory modules. You can tell that at the time 1 gig of RAM were huge. Simple as that. You just need to do them steps backwards. Forget the Airport Extreme card. This has already had an upgrade. You know, I ordered this, and then I were about to order an Airport Extreme for it, and when it came, it already had one. I think we must have missed a step there. Lift this up, put that in there, and put back in its place. That should be done then. It was really that simple. Now I like to do a lot more challenging things on this channel. This isn't one of them. So let's see if it works. So this is the all important power on test. It chimes. That's a good first step. Apple logo, that's a very good second step. Looks to be working. There's my fishes. Yeah, we get the idea, your battery's dead. There's no such thing as a replacement. So it's always going to be dead now, because I ain't getting the battery rebuilt. Is a step too far, that. So yeah, Wi-Fi's working. And the time's changed, so yeah, Wi-Fi is definitely working. This is the all important about this Mac test. 1.0 2 gigabytes of RAM. What an upgrade. It's 4 times the RAM, more than 4 times the RAM. So chuffed with that. Performance should massively improve. Now it's got maxed out RAM, especially considering the max these could take was 512 plus the 128 soldered. And it really is that easy. It's just Apple being Apple, misdocumenting things. Also, I've got to say, after doing this RAM upgrade, Classic Cube runs brilliant. Far better than it did before. But 30 FPS ain't bad. I mean, this can run on a Dreamcast or an N64, so it's not that impressive. But still, Classic Cube runs on anything. Anyway, there's sure to be more iBook and PowerPC content coming. Yeah, so as a teaser, I've got a PowerMac G5. Just picked it up, so that's going to be my next video, or one of my next videos, depending on what I get round to doing. And I've got a few other projects with this iBook itself before I end up buying a PowerBook, because now I've been bit by the PowerPC bug, I'm straight back into it, back into the ball game. Anyway, if you like this sort of video, even if this was just a quick one, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like it, dislike. I'm not going to stop you end of the day. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you all in another video.